Hey guys, I'm Joel, and I'm here to bring you the most incredible gadgets you can buy right now. It's a new year and it's already bringing us some amazing technological advancements, ways to look stylish or be safe. Whether you want a fun innovative backpack or a nice hot cup of coffee, pay close attention for these incredible gadgets. Stick around for number 1, because you'll be blown away by what these gadgets can do. Let's begin. Number 5, the Wemo Smart Plug. Smart plugs are all about improving home security by turning lights and appliances on and off while you're on vacation, making smart plugs a safe and effective way to look like you're home while you're away. The Wemo Mini Smart Plug by Belkin makes the whole process far more comfortable. It can work with Amazon Alexa, the Google Assistant, and the Apple HomeKit. It has a compact design and an effortless setup. You can control the sleek Wi-Fi connected device from anywhere, as well as set the schedules of all connected appliances. There's even an option to randomize your lights patterns while away from home to create an impression you haven't left. And you can buy it on Amazon. A small price to pay for the sweet feeling of security. Number 4, the Ember Mug. For many, coffee has become a necessity for work, school, or just everyday life. This device is here to help you keep up, keeping your coffee nice and hot and at the temp you want it to be. Designed for home or office, the new Ember Mug Squared does more than simply keep your coffee hot. The smart mug allows you to set an exact drinking temperature, so your coffee is never too hot or cold. Ember then maintains your chosen temperature for up to 1.5 hours with the Ember Mug and all day when placed on its charging coaster, so your hot beverage stays perfect. It has auto sleep features, and it senses when to turn on and off. Ember is a connected device. You can use the Ember app to it all. To set your temperature, customize presets for your favorite drinks, receive notifications when your desired temperature is reached, personalize your mug, and more. Number 3, Pix Backpack. A smart backpack designed to brighten your day with some Pix Backpack Lite. It's a perfect urban laptop backpack for men and women that allows you to customize its design while you're on the go. From the very moment you get your Pix backpack, you become a geek, an artist, a raver, or all of these at once. As you plug in the power bank to the LED Pix backpack, it lights up and puts on a pixel show for you. Then, with a few strokes of the fingertips on your mobile device, you can pair your smartphone with the Pix rucksack backpack and display images, animation, widgets, and even games. If you're looking for a practical birthday gift or cool gadgets for anyone who goes to school, college, or work, this Pix backpack is a go-to option. The free Pix app allows you to display images and animations from the market or draw your own ideas and animations on your Pix LED. What makes Pix a cool gadget is the ability to play old-school video games right on your laptop backpack. This smart backpack turns obsolete retro games into a fun experience. The Pix rucksack backpack's durable design makes it a good fit for anyone who's on the move. Number 2, Bose Smart Glasses. These sunglasses let you hear and interact with the world around you while discreetly listening to the audio of your choice. It comes with a carrying case and a magnetic USB charge cable. One of the best features about this is that you don't have to take out your phone to adjust anything. With press-turn volume control, all you have to do to turn your volume up or down is press the button on your frames, look left or right. Your phone stays right in your pocket or bag, and you move freely throughout your day. The Bose Connect app gives you easy access to everything your product has to offer. Get tips, personalize settings, and unlock new features through simple software updates. Did I mention that the lenses won't easily scratch or shatter either? Check them out in a variety of different frames, lens colors, and more. Number 1, Bangle Digital Jewelry. The Bangle is the future of smartwatch innovation. This astonishing tech piece can mimic a piece of jewelry while giving you access to all the most essential information from your smartphone. The Bangle is made with a wraparound screen that covers the entire device. This gives you access to a large screen to perform various operations without removing your smartphone from your pocket. You can respond to texts, answer calls, use social media, or view notifications on a specific device. The bracelet's best thing is that it is infinitely customizable, which means you can change the appearance of the device to match your clothes with just a few buttons. You can choose from a large variety of styles and customization options, allowing you to fine-tune the style you are looking for. One of the most incredible features of Bangle is that it is flexible, just like an ordinary bracelet. You can twist, bend, or flex the bracelet as much as you want, and the screen will never break. Not only is the bracelet useful, but it is incredibly durable. At the end of each day, you could charge the devices with the included wireless charger. You can pair the bracelet to virtually any smartphone with Bluetooth functionality.